Hello, hello, how are you? This is kind of a shopping haul slash orders are in that I've purchased. And some are from Amazon, some are from, I don't even know the book thing. And some are some personal buys from some YouTube channels. First thing I'm going to show you is the Jane Davenport. I was talking to Sabrina and I realized I didn't have it. So I had Diamond check on her book club thing. And they had it, and Diamond had so many points built up, I basically got this for like $2, she told me. And it's not what I thought it was. I thought it was going to be more in like in directions how to do this, Whimsical Girls. But basically, it's, you kind of just color the pages like a coloring book. And then one side is her drawing, the other side is where you're supposed to work. But there's no telling you how to do it. So it's not quite what I thought it was going to be. It's kind of cool though. But in the back, way in the back, and then there's different type of paper. You get a couple of her sheets of hers, very thin, and some stickers, which is kind of cool. But that's it. That's the Whimsical Girl. So now I think I have all of them. And then Steffi's Crafty Adventure told me about this artist, and she has coloring books, and her name was Deborah Moorer. She is, oh man, I lost the thought here. Hang on, I gotta look it up. ChubbyMermaid on Etsy. And I went over, this is how I went, and then she told me her name, and then I went on Amazon, and I purchased this coloring book, and then she also has a Facebook group, so I joined the Facebook group, not realizing I could have went on Etsy and bought this. So, and then printed it myself. But I got it. But these are so cool. This is the steampunk one. She has a lot of different. I will put her Etsy store in the description box so you guys can go check it out. So after I discovered the Etsy store, I went in and also bought some different images. And this is the fairies and dragons. My granddaughter loves dragons. So I have her next week. I have all of them next week. So I purchased this for Allie, basically. But I'm going to color it too. Oh, excuse me. I knew that was coming. I'm sorry. But this is the fairies and dragons. I said I was going to do this one for Jersey because it looks like the gal's meditating. Oh my god. Sorry. Yeah, I sneeze on live video ones as well. And I don't edit, so you guys are going to get a laugh out of that. So that is the fairies and dragons. And then this one, and that was like 34 pages. This one's like 45 or something. This is the dragon one. And I didn't print double-sided because if she used alcohol markers, then she did, you know. But if she did, it does. So very cool. Like a name. And this is also included in the other one. But I colored two last night. I did this one. This is the fairy and dragon one. I did that with alcohol markers. And then I did this one with colored pencil. So got them. Got that. Then on Faye's channel, she does swap it, store it, or pass it. And if I can find her channel again, I will link it as well. So I bought this Bo Bunny stamp, and it's doodle circle frames. And I like the circles, so I grabbed that. I only paid $2 for that. I didn't think that was bad. So I got that. Then, the Amy, it's Derek Woods Hollow, had paper, and I picked some up. And it's just like, I don't know if you want to call it burgundy or fuchsia, I think it was called. Very pretty. Fuchsia. Awesome. Awesome toss. Then, she had blue. Oh. Pretty blue. Love the blue. The blue's pretty. And that is my big stocking orders that came in. Orders and little sales and destashes. I don't know, it's a mixture. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody. Have a good day.